Welcome to Trendy Talks, your go-to destination for the latest trends and discussions shaping our world. Today, we're diving into the stratosphere with an exhilarating topic, the Elon Musk Starship launch. Get ready to embark on a journey through the cosmos as we explore the future of space travel and innovation. Elon Musk's ambitious vision for space travel centers around the development of Starship, a revolutionary spacecraft poised to transform interplanetary exploration. Designed by SpaceX, Starship aims to facilitate the colonization of Mars, accommodating up to 100 passengers per journey. However, the recent attempt to launch Starship was halted due to a pressurization issue, underscoring the complexity of the project. Despite this setback, SpaceX remains committed, with plans to reschedule the launch later this week. At the core of SpaceX's mission is the goal of making life multiplanetary, driven by Musk's belief that establishing human colonies on other planets like Mars could safeguard civilization in the event of catastrophic events on Earth. To realize this vision, a reliable and reusable spacecraft is essential. Thus, Starship emerges as the solution. Unlike conventional launch systems, Starship is fully reusable, minimizing costs by retrieving and refurbishing its hardware for subsequent flights. Starship comprises a rocket and spacecraft tandem, towering at 120 meters tall when combined with its Super Heavy rocket. The spacecraft itself boasts a sleek stainless steel design reminiscent of classic sci-fi rocket ships, powered by 6 advanced Raptor engines, meticulously developed over a decade. Starship achieves high efficiency in propellant consumption. Methane and liquid oxygen fuel the engines, forming the methalox combination for combustion. Furthermore, Starship's design emphasizes rapid reusability, akin to aircraft, enabling quick turnaround times between flights. Propellant tanks situated in the middle of the craft facilitate the efficient delivery of fuel to the Raptors. This innovative approach not only reduces the environmental impact of space travel, but also enhances the economic viability of the endeavor. As SpaceX continues to refine Starship, the prospects of human colonization beyond Earth's bounds inch closer to reality, marking a pivotal milestone in the annals of space exploration. The Super Heavy serves as the primary booster for the Starship launch system, fueled by 33 Raptor engines with subcooled liquid methane and liquid oxygen. It's designed for full reusability, aiming to land back at the launch site after re-entering Earth's atmosphere. Despite a setback where not all engines ignited as expected during a launch over the Gulf of Mexico, SpaceX remains undeterred. Previous attempts saw the Super Heavy booster destroyed midair, but this recent launch marks progress. SpaceX, founded 22 years ago, has accelerated its efforts, with the latest in-flight test marking the third within a year, emphasizing significant advancements towards their ambitious goals. The Raptor engine is a reusable methane-oxygen staged combustion engine that powers the Starship system and has twice the thrust of the Falcon 9 Merlin engine. Starship will be powered by 6 engines, 3 Raptor engines, and 3 Raptor vacuum (RVAC) engines, which are designed for use in the vacuum of space. Super Heavy will be powered by 33 Raptor engines, with 13 in the center and the remaining 20 around the perimeter of the booster's aft end. NASA plans to utilize SpaceX's Starship for its Artemis program, aiming to return astronauts to the moon after over 50 years. SpaceX received a $2.89 million contract in 2021 with an additional $1 billion agreement. Elon Musk envisions Starship as a means to establish humans as a multiplanet species, citing its potential for a permanent moon base and a Martian city. Starship's vast size enables substantial payload capacity, lifting 5 times more material than its closest competitor. It's designed to carry up to 100 people into orbit, significantly surpassing past space occupancy records. SpaceX emphasizes reusability, intending for both the lower booster and upper spacecraft stage to be reusable, thereby reducing launch costs and facilitating sustainable space travel. Lisa Watson-Morgan of NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center underscores the importance of ambitious flight tests, crucial for advancing Starship's development and supporting future missions. The development and manufacturing of SpaceX's Starship occur at Starbase, a pioneering commercial spaceport designed for orbital missions. Recently, on March 14, the massive 400-foot-tall rocket underwent its 3rd test flight, marking a significant step forward in space exploration. Although the test wasn't flawless, with both its first stage booster, Super Heavy, and upper stage spacecraft lost upon return to Earth, the flight achieved unprecedented speed, distance, and duration, boosting morale for both SpaceX and NASA's Artemis program. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson hailed the successful flight as a stride towards humanity's return to the Moon and eventual Mars exploration. Scheduled for September 2026, Starship's first crewed moon landing under Artemis 3 requires significant preparation, with SpaceX already building additional Starships for future tests and missions. SpaceX's rapid iteration approach aims to expedite Starship's operational readiness, with plans to launch at least 6 missions in 2024 alone. Despite Elon Musk's ambitious timelines, progress is evident, as seen in the reduced gap between test flights and advancements achieved during each mission. Starship's capabilities extend beyond lunar missions, with plans for Mars colonization. Musk envisions fleets of Starships shuttling between Earth and Mars, albeit the exact number of launches required remains uncertain due to logistical challenges. Regardless, Starship's potential to revolutionize space travel is immense, with its ability to carry up to 275 tons to Earth orbit. While Musk's Mars colonization plans may seem ambitious, they underscore Starship's transformative impact on interplanetary exploration. Whether it's ferrying supplies to the Moon, deploying satellites, or setting the stage for Mars settlement, Starship represents a significant leap forward in humanity's quest to explore the cosmos. As SpaceX continues to refine and deploy Starship, the future of space travel appears increasingly promising, offering glimpses of a future where humanity becomes an interplanetary species. Elon Musk and SpaceX conducted their third test flight, launching the Starship rocket from Boca Chica, Texas. The mission marked significant milestones, including successful payload door operations, propellant transfer, and booster flip maneuver. These achievements hold promise for transforming space travel and aiding NASA's lunar missions. After reaching over 200 kilometers in altitude, Starship began its descent towards the Indian Ocean. However, communication was lost at around 49 minutes into the flight, and SpaceX confirmed the rocket's disintegration upon re-entry. Despite this, Starship achieved its goal of reaching orbital velocities. Notably, this flight wasn't intended to complete a full orbit. Overall, the ascent proceeded smoothly, showcasing advancements in SpaceX's space transportation endeavors under Musk's leadership. SpaceX's Starship rocket achieved significant milestones in its third test flight, showcasing substantial progress compared to earlier attempts. Departing from its Texas launch site, the two-stage vehicle successfully propelled its upper portion across the globe, with a re-entry over the Indian Ocean. Despite radio contact loss towards the end, Elon Musk and SpaceX expressed satisfaction with the flight's overall success, a stark contrast to previous failures where the rocket disintegrated mid-mission. The launch witnessed a thunderous departure as the rocket's 33 engines roared to life. The subsequent phases unfolded seamlessly, with precise separation between the booster and the ship. Spectacular views of Earth were transmitted from over 100 miles above. However, the mission encountered setbacks as the booster failed to execute a controlled splashdown, and the ship skipped an engine reignition for re-entry. Nonetheless, engineers remain optimistic, as the data gathered affirms Starship's development trajectory. Musk plans for 6 more test flights in the year, envisioning Starship's potential to revolutionize space travel with its reusability and massive payload capacity. For Musk's Starlink project and NASA's Artemis program, Starship holds pivotal roles, potentially reshaping humanity's access to space and enabling lunar missions. Despite the need for investigation into mishaps, the successful flight marks a significant stride towards humanity's space exploration goals, as articulated by NASA Administrator Bill Nelson. Thank you for tuning in to Trendy Talks. If you enjoyed our exploration of the Elon Musk Starship launch, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all our trending topics and discussions. Together, let's continue to explore the forefront of innovation and discovery. See you next time.